Question number 1. Mrs. Kanwal is days principal of the school. Option A. Option B, R. Option C, the. And option D, no article. The correct answer is option C, the. Mrs. Kanwal is the principal of the school. Here we use the because the sentence is about a specific principal, Mrs. Kanwal. When referring to a specific singular noun, the is always used. Definite article the specifies that Mr. Kanwal is the only principal of the school, so we used the here. Question number 2. Day sugar is bad for your health. Option 1 the, option 2 A, option 3 N, and option 4 no article. The correct answer is option 4 no article. Here no article is used because sugar is an uncountable noun and we can't use article before uncountable noun and abstract noun. For example, before gold, honesty, we can't use article. Next question. Question number 3. Des Ramayan is one of the many religious texts of the Hindus. Option 1 N, option 2 A, option 3 the, and option 4 no article. The correct answer is option 3 the. The Ramayana is one of the many religious texts of the Hindus. Here we use the because we use definite article the before the name of holy books and scriptures. For example, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Gita, etc. Next question. Question number 4. The sun rises in the east and sets in days west. Option 1 A, option 2 the, option 3 N, and option 4 no article. The correct answer is option 2 the. Sets in the west. In sense of direction, we always use the article. For example, the east, the west, the north, the south, etc. Next question. Question number 5. She is Day's most diligent employee and I will recommend her name for promotion. Option 1 the, option 2 the more, option 3 A, and option 4 merchant. The correct answer is option 1 the. She is the most diligent employee. Here we use article the because it is in superlative degree. Most diligent is in superlative degree, so we use article the here. Next question. Question number 6. The teacher has been teaching for days hour. Option 1 A, option 2, option 3 N, and option 4 3. The correct answer is option 3 N. Here article N is used because of vowel sound hour and hour. Next question. Question number 7. Can you speak days Spanish? Option A, option B N, option C the, and option D no article. The correct answer is option D no article because before language we can't use article, so here is no article. Next question. Question number 8. She wants to become dash engineer. Option A, option B N, option C the, and option D no article. The correct answer is option B N engineer because of vowel E engineer, so N engineer. Next question. Question number 9. I saw dash one-eyed person. Option A, option B N, option C the, and option D no article. The correct answer is option A. I saw a one-eyed person. Here the word one is O is vowel, but here A is used because of consonant sound. Next question. My sister will come in dash day or two. Option A, option B N, option C the, option D no article. The correct answer is option A day or two. Question number 11. You speak days truth always. Option A, option B, and option C, the, and option D, no article. The correct answer is option C, the truth always. Next question. Spring is dash best season of dash year. Option A, the, option B, A, option C, the and A, and option D, A, and no article. The correct answer is option A, the and the. Spring is the best season of the year. Question number 13. We had days very nice meal and days vegetable were specially good. Option A, the, option B, A and the, and option C, A and no article, and option D, no article and the. The correct answer is option B, A and the. We had a very nice meal. The vegetable are specially good. Question number 14. All days books on days top of the shelf belongs to me. Option A, the, option B, no article, the, option C, the and no article, and option D, no article and A. The correct answer is the. All the books on the top of the shelf belongs to me. Next question. The game has two days and option A, option B, and option C, the, and option D, no article. The correct answer is option B, and the game has to come and end. Thank you.